Guys, football talk. Southampton nil, Chelsea 6. This was one of Chelsea's best games of the season and performances, particularly for Timo Werner. He was unlucky and hit the woodwork a couple of times, but he was still able to get a brace. And with missing Mount and Marcus Alonso getting on the score sheet, Chelsea just ran away with this game from the onset. And this is one of those games where Southampton have lost with huge margins, and manager Rafael has come under fire for such huge defeats. This game was just one of those games, and it seemed like Southampton were caused to concede nine goals, which they've customarily considered in the past 2 seasons. But they stopped at 6 for Southampton, and Chelsea stopped at 6 for Southampton and Chelsea. And it was a fine game for Chelsea. They were rewarded by coming into this game with a heavily attacking setup, and they were heavily attacking style plan of play, and they were well rewarded for coming into this game with that sort of mentality. And the challenge for Chelsea now is to ensure or hope that they can continue playing like this and getting goals much more regularly like this, with strikers scoring like this, especially Werner, who haven't had it easy since he moved to Chelsea from Leipzig. We want to your comment section below. What do you feel about Chelsea in this game? What do you feel about their chances of finishing the top four? What do you feel this result does for Chelsea in the race for the top four? Chelsea haven't had it easy this season with so many things that have been going on off the pitch. What do you feel about this? What do you feel about their chances of finishing the top four? Everything in the comment section below. Same goes for Southampton as well. This result seems to happen at least once or twice every season now for Southampton, and it's becoming something that's unacceptable, especially fans who pay money to come on and watch their team play. This is not the kind of performance or result they want to see. But what do you feel Southampton needs to do to stop results like this from happening? Or what do you feel Southampton needs to improve on? Where do you see Southampton finishing coming of this season? What if you are Southampton facing this, and what if you are situations with Nigeria? Let us know in the comment section below. Dangerous video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the comment, and share. I'm very for the next game. Goodbye. God bless.